In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the 200 EMA on TradingView step by step. If you're a complete beginner and have never used TradingView before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and customize the 200 EMA on your chart. First, let's quickly understand what we're using. The 200 EMA means the 200 period exponential moving average. It's a popular indicator used by traders to identify long-term trends. When price is above the 200 EMA, the market is generally considered bullish. When price is below it, the market is generally considered bearish. Now let's jump into TradingView. Open your browser and go to TradingView.com. Log in to your account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart option from the top menu. This will open the main charting screen. Now, to add the 200 EMA, look at the top toolbar and click on the Indicators button. A search box will appear. In the search bar, type Moving Average Exponential. You will see an option called Moving Average Exponential under the Built-in Indicators section. Click on it. You'll now see a line appear on your chart. That's the EMA, but by default, it is usually set to 9 periods. We need to change it to 200. To do that, move your mouse over the EMA line on the chart. Click on the small settings icon next to its name. This will open the Indicator's Settings window. In the Settings window, you'll see a field called Length. Change the number there to 200. Click OK. That's it. You have successfully added the 200 EMA to your TradingView chart. If you want to customize it further, you can go back into the settings. Under the Style tab, you can change the color, thickness, and line style to make it more visible. Many traders prefer a bold color like red, blue, or yellow so it stands out clearly on the chart. You can also add multiple EMAs if you want, such as the 50 EMA or 20 EMA, by repeating the same process. And that's how you set the 200 EMA on TradingView step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.